So we're going to translate that name together. So ifo or iho both mean to see, right? And anya is your eyes. That's what, like, the direct translation of anya, right? So you put those two together and you say, and you get ifonanya or ihonanya, and that means to see with your eyes, but there's kind of like a deeper, almost kind of like symbolic meaning with that. It's like to see someone as they are, or to really almost kind of like to gaze upon them with some like a level of understanding and basically love, right? So ihonanya or ifonanya basically means love, right? So whenever someone says ifonanya, it's the literal translation of love, okay? So the name is basically just kind of like